Hey, first grade, we are going to get started with our assignment today. So this is the second day that you are doing distance learning, okay? So I'm just going to kind of go through everything. Obviously, you were able to find the assignment and you were able to press play to watch this welcome video. So welcome to today. If you are my red group, this would be Friday that you're working on this. And if you are my gray group, this would be Wednesday that you're working on this. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started, okay? So when you open this up, there are slides over here. So I'm just going to kind of navigate it like this. And then you can move it around just by clicking the arrows up and down on your Chromebook, okay? So after you're done watching this video, you're going to watch this video about your About Me assignment, okay? And you're going to be filling those things in today, filling in your hobbies, your family stuff, your favorites, and then you're going to watch the video about your math assignment. So we're working on the digit detective today. It's super fun, okay? And what's nice about this, it's kind of self-correcting, okay? So as you can see, I had already moved number 10 over and it showed that it was correct. You're going to go through, you're going to do those assignments, filling in those missing numbers. And then you're going to go through and you're going to move this circle on top of the missing numbers for each of these, okay? And then the last thing you're going to do is there's going to be a video right here and you're going to press play and that's going to be your read aloud for today. All right, guys, that is your assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to turn it in.